your name?
Yeah. Today is 3rd February 2020.
Okay.
मैं अभी ट्रेन से आ रही थी. ट्रेन पूरा क्राउडेड था मीरा रोड से दादर. एंड एक प्रेग्नेंट लेडी 3 months प्रेग्नेंट, शी गॉट कोलैप्स. बैठी बैठी उसका
The train. There's a lot of people. How many people were in the train, madam?
और बेहोश हो गई और उसको सांस उसका ब्रीदिंग रुक गया था. एंड आई वाज जस्ट मतलब मैं थोड़ा दूर थी उससे. मैं उसको अफर्मेशन भी नहीं दिखा सकी. कैसे कैसे मैंने वॉन्ड निकाला और उसको जिधर खड़ी थी मैंने उधर से ही इमीडिएट हीलिंग चालू किया. विदिन 5 minutes शी रीगेन हर कॉन्शियसनेस. और सब लोग फिर सबने मुझे जगा दिया बिकॉज जैसे वो उसका ब्रीदिंग चालू हो गया. फिर मैंने उसको बात करने भी नहीं हो रहा था. तो वो बोली कि मुझे सांस लेने को नहीं हो रहा है. तो कैसे, तो मैंने मुझे तो कुछ हुआ, आई थिंक लो बीपी का था कि चक्कर का इश्यू था, मुझे पता नहीं. मैंने उसका लीवर को, स्प्लिन चक्रा, पैंक्रियास, थर्ड आई, उसका फेफड़े, फिर उसका थ्रोट चक्रा, जो मुझे समझ में आ गया उसको हीलिंग किया. और थोड़ा जगह मिलने के बाद उसका ईड़ा पिंगला और ओरा क्लिनजिंग किया और उसको डिवाइन फायर किया. एंड विदिन 10 minutes शी वॉज टोटली ऑल राइट. Today while traveling in a crowded train.
Crowded train, huh?
Yeah.
All Mumbai trains are crowded, correct?
Yeah.
Why? It's a working time. It's a Monday. Yes or no? A lot of people. Sometimes a lot of people there. So much of things. And sometimes people today are so selfish. They don't even give space for pregnant ladies. People have become so selfish today. Those days when I go to school, they teach me. When bread lady come, must give seed. Yes or no?
Yes.
The days are gone. Everybody just care for themselves. Yes, madam.
So today,
was he standing or was he sitting?
she got a place to
Got it.
stand.
Good for her. Yes.
Today in Mumbai, while traveling in a crowded train, one pregnant lady got collapsed and she lost her consciousness. She could not breathe because when I checked her, I asked somebody, so they said she is not breathing. In that train, I could not even do it.
Go near her.
Yeah, because even it was not possible for me to take out affirmation and to show.
Exactly.
Then I started doing that. This lady is being of divine
Divine fire.
Yeah. And in meantime, I got a place to at least to remove my wand, pink color wand. I took it.
Yeah.
Yes. And I did Ida Pingla.
Hello. Don't drag the chair.
Yeah, I did Ida Pingla. And in that urgency, whatever I came to know, I did, I healed her third eye, then her lungs, then throat chakra, liver. I energized her spleen.
Whatever you know, you did it, madam.
2-3 times. Then pancreas, because I thought it's a low BP, so I had to heal her. That. And again 2-3 times I did Ida Pingla. Within 5 to 10 minutes, she opened her eyes and I asked her to do deep breathing and she could regain her consciousness and she became normal.
You know something, madam? Pregnant ladies have more divine connection than normal ladies. You must understand that, huh? Because she's carrying another soul. The divine will help her in any way she can. Understand? So that time, when you just pick up, wait madam, wait, come. The moment you take the wand, some divine energy will come to help you. Some divine, because you are the only one had the intention, I must heal her. Many of you will say, I don't know what to do. People will panic. Your whole husband will panic. What do I do? Yes or no? It's a crowded train. You can't even stop the train and take an auto or can't even move. Yes or no, madam?
True, sir.
Yes.
And then, sir, within few seconds, because when they saw I was doing something, everybody
Move.
on side, yes. And they and 2-3 people they asked. Then I told them in 1 or 2 sentences I said I'm going for the same workshop.
Yes.
They took my number. Yes, and they are going to contact me.
Where? T-shirt, madam. Much more powerful. Where's the pic? Where's this kind of t-shirt? Ladies t-shirt. Ladies, we are here to help you. Yes, people need help. Pregnant mother needs more help than any woman on earth. Yes or no? Yes. And usually towards the end of the month, 7th month, 8th month, 9th month,
And-
it's more difficult for her. And she has to go to work. Yes or no? Yes, she got to go to work. And when will she get the leave? When she get maternity leave? After delivery only. Not 2 weeks before delivery or not 1 week before delivery. Yes or no?
Not all offices,
Huh?
not all offices give leave.
No, I'm saying by law, only after delivery you can leave. Yes or no? 45 days for the Muslims by law in Malaysian country is 2 months. In Malaysian country 2 months. Right? In India how many months they give you leave?
40 days.
40 days. Right.
3 months.
3 months. So different place, different law.
No, it is 3 months.
40 days, 3 months different, madam.
No, government rules 3 months at home.
Government rules 3 months
And they allow 1 month advance.
Huh?
They allow 1 month before
and 2 months.
and 2 months. But
That's
the
very
thing
good.
is, see, we don't use 1 month because we want to spend time with the infant.
Ah.
So we don't do. So like
Madam?
I worked till the last week.
Modi government gives 6 months. Very nice, Mr. Modi.
Government rule has changed and they have said 6 months.
Who changed the law, madam?
No, it's only told. It's
Which
not-
government changed the law from 6 months? I am asking, don't fight like shout. Someone say Modi government, someone say which government changed to 6 months for ladies to get leave? Which government? Give a clap to Mr. Modi. Yeah. Hey, come on, clap. Nobody like him out. Yeah. You see, you know. Hello. Listen to me. A pregnant mother, you give birth in Italy, you get 2 years leave. In Italy, paid by the company that you're working for. The father gets 2 months leave. Father must get 2 months to take care of the baby and the mother.
So I
Yes,
want to say
madam.
one more thing.
Yes.
I'll continue in English, then I'll say
Yeah.
in Hindi. Today, my husband doesn't like PVH, and today he took a leave. I lied to him and I came here. Otherwise, I was going to come here early. And I was like feeling, oh, I'm going to miss the class. And see how the divine order is.
Yes, madam.
This is what I thank the divine
Yes.
that making me
You
as an instrument.
at that point to
Yeah.
heal a pregnant mother. Very good. Everybody can become like that. Yes.
मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड पीवीएच के एकदम अगेंस्ट है, तो मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ पीवीएच 4 साल से, बट उन्हें पसंद नहीं है ये सब. और आज उन्होंने छुट्टी ली, मैं झूठ बोल के कि कोई मर गया है ऐसे बोल के.
What Maria? I heard the word Maria. What do you mean? You go and die, I go and die.
Somebody has died in my family yesterday,
Ah.
so I said I had to go there. And
Oh, oh.
yeah, and
The soul will forgive you.
yeah.
Madam, take up.
I did forgiveness to that person.
Take up the soul, madam.
Think of the soul that who is dead.
Okay. God.
थैंक यू सर. और फिर मुझे ऐसे लगा कि अरे मेरा क्लास मिस होगा, या तो मैं सुबह जल्दी आने वाली थी, मैं मीरा रोड से आई. और फिर ऐसे हो रहा था कि अरे क्या हो गया, इतना लेट हो गया. फिर वो लेडी को हील करने के बाद मुझे एहसास हो गया कि डिवाइन का, भगवान का टाइमिंग देखो, कि तभी उसे वो मदद चाहिए था. इसके लिए मुझे आज शायद लेट किया गया, ये सब ऐसी घटनाएं घटी आज. मैंने भगवान का इसके लिए भी शुक्रिया अदा किया कि मुझे हील करने के लिए आपने मुझे चुना.
Thank you.
थैंक
Yes.
यू.
I know. That is why. That's madam. Quiet, madam.
उसको लाइफ दे के आए.
That's why. Listen. That's why I tell every people, mostly ladies, are wasting so much of time at home doing puja. 1 hour puja, 2 hour puja. Yes or no? This one lady I met in Aurangabad, she said she do 5 hours puja every day. 5 hours. I tell all PVH people, early morning, get up and tell God, use me in any way you can. Make me an instrument. Make me useful. I want to help somebody. And God will use you. Your train might get delayed. Don't worry. There's some divine plan for you. Something will happen unknowingly. Something will do. Like today, she had an opportunity to heal a pregnant mother. You know, sometimes when somebody fall down, everybody will panic. They don't know what to do. It's not easy unless you are trained and you know what to do, and you do automatically. You may know CPR, but you don't know what to do. If somebody is panicking, you don't know what to do. Unless you're a professional person who's been practicing and taught how to, you know exactly what to do. First thing you do, you check the pulse, check the breathing, yes or no? And then you say, but you must be trained to do that. You must have done it before. Yes or no? Like that. That's not easy. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you.